Now, let's talk about Llama 3 in Ollama versus Llama 3 in LM Studio for translating subtitles in Subtitle Edit. Which is better? Now, I don't know if I'm the only one having this issue, but Llama 3 is taking too long and using too much of my resources to translate subtitles in LM Studio as compared to Ollama. Now, I'm going to walk you through a quick example here. And I'm actually going to add a video, and hopefully if anyone else is going through this, they can actually tell me. Probably there's something I need to configure in LM Studio for this to be faster. And I'm actually now going to use audio to text via Whisper. The engine is const.me, and the base is the base model to automatically transcribe my audio into text, and that's done. Next up, I'm going to auto translate these particular subtitles. And for this, I'm going to begin by using Ollama, and I'm going to use Llama 3, and everything else here is preset. Now, if you still have Llama 2, you may need to download Llama 3. And I do have a tutorial on installing Llama 3 on LM Studio and installing Llama 3 on Ollama. Now, I'm going to translate these subtitles into Spanish or whatever language is supported here, but let's just translate into Spanish. Please wait, this may take a while. Now, please note that Ollama, my server is running here, and if you quit it, it's not going to run Llama 3. So let's begin translating our subtitles, and it's done. It's not taken that long. I can actually click OK, and you can see your subtitles here, and you can actually see how they look like. That's for Ollama. It's a little bit faster than LM Studio, and this is what I mean. I'm actually going to get a new file here, or new subtitle edit window, and go to video, open video file, just get the same video, and I'm also going to automatically transcribe it, generate, and our subtitles are ready. Next up, I don't have LM Studio running, so I'm going to pull up LM Studio. And once I pull it up, I'm going to go to the chat, and I'll select a model to load. I'm going to load Meta Llama 3 instruct. Now, you'll be able to see the RAM usage. You'll also be able to see the CPU usage right here. Once you do that, you'll need to click on this LM Studio icon down here. Right click on it, and you'll see that the LM Studio server is not running, so you'll need to start server on port 1234. I'll click on that, and if I now click on it, right click on it, you'll see that LM Studio server running on port 1234, which is good for us. Now, I'll go back to Subtitle Edit, and with my audio transcribed into text / subtitles, I'll go to auto translate again. And from the translation engines here, I'm going to select LM Studio into brackets local ChatGPT. Now, you can also see that it's here HTTP localhost 1234 /v1 /chat /completions. I'm not sure if this could be the issue, but I'm hoping not. Now, if I translate, I'm running the same models, Llama 3 in Ollama and Llama 3 in LM Studio. If I click on translate these English text or subtitles into Spanish, it's going to tell us please wait. Now we can see the progress here. You'll see that your CPU goes up, obviously your RAM also goes up, and my fans just kicked in, so you'll see this particular fluctuation here. And let's see subtitle edit. Now, nothing seems to be happening, or it's taking too long to automatically translate subtitles using Llama 3 in LM Studio. I'm not sure if it's a configuration issue on my end or on anybody else, or maybe LM Studio or Ollama in LM Studio is not working as well in Subtitle Edit, but I'm not so sure. If somebody has gone through the same issue, kindly let us know in the comments. But as you can see, it's running. RAM is 3.7 gigs. CPU around 40%. The motor is on, and we still don't have any subtitle translated into Spanish, and we're using Llama 3, the same model as in Ollama. Now we've got the fast, and it kind of looks different from what we had previously. Not so sure why, but we have the fast line, and it looks a little bit different. The fast word, even though I don't know Spanish, looks very different from what we had previously. But it's taking too long. I'm not sure if I'm the only one going through this issue, and I won't keep you here long waiting for this to be done, because I've tested it and it's taking too long for my liking, and probably somebody else who's in a hurry, they may not want to use Ollama in LM Studio in Subtitle Edit. That's just my take. Maybe somebody else can enlighten us if there is something we need to configure in LM Studio here for it to work very, very well. So yeah, I hope somebody can give us an answer on that, because we still don't have any more subtitles here. I'll actually just cancel this. But if you're looking for which server you need to use when translating subtitles from one language to another in Subtitle Edit using Llama 3, try Ollama. Ollama is much faster than LM Studio for now. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.